What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us. And today I'm going to review recently. I just watched this neo noir thriller. It's a Tamil movie. It's a remake of a Kannada movie. Kaba the Dari is the title of the movie, but basically it is taken from the Kannada. The title is Kavallu Dari, whereas the Telugu movie was also remade. It's Kapata Dhari. Literally, its mean is con artist, somebody who is disguised, and that's the story is all about. Is the story. The before talking about the movies, I think I really like the reviews of this movie since the movie is all very smooth, and the best thing is very well balanced thriller because you cannot see any distraction, because sometimes it happens that there are scenes that they have to add regarding like comedy or something, but they didn't do so in this one. So it will be very interesting if you will watch it because it goes smooth. And the most important thing is, because these kind of thrillers, if the story is and the plot is very engaging, you will really enjoy it. And throughout the movie, uh, the lead protagonists, they did their level best, they nailed it very well. What is that? So Shakti is a traffic policeman, and he is always involved in reading crimes and thrillers, and he really wanted to do something beyond his work that is given. So he talked to many times about his job, and the boss is always getting angry at him that whatever you are doing is it's best because every day you are having enough money. That's the traffic wardens, they are doing it. So if you are enjoying your job, that's best, you could do it, but don't interfere in all this. So due to this his choice that he makes, he is always in a big problem because he just wanted to be in a crime investigation department, but he couldn't be there. Fortunately or unfortunately, what happened at the construction site one day, because that was his area, allotted area, and there are people who were cooking under it, all those like homeless people, and they found three bodies there. And he was there at the site, and he talked to his boss that I know this, maybe it belongs to all these skeletons, they belong to skulls, they belong to one family. And the boss was there again, and he said, you are again at it, and do you think that all these dead bodies, they have talked to you? Better mind your own business and don't interfere in this one. You don't know these things are very important. It is not like your traffic warden job. He still like to interfere in this one because he thinks that he can solve this case. So what happens after the autopsy and all this, what is that, forensic and all these things happened, and they found out that these bodies and the remains are like 40 plus years old, and there are no traces of where and who they belong to. So what the government could do is just to bury them back without knowing that whose bodies these are. So that is a very eye-catching scene that you, and it's very emotional when you see somebody buried right in front of you, even it is skeleton, and you don't know that who these people are, but there is a skull of a man, women, and a child. And the remains at that site was a car. You have to watch why the child car is also there, a toy car. And these are all remains that they got. And now Shakti wanted to find out, and he tried to talk to all the people, those who are involved, just give me the documents and everything so that I can follow. So somehow he saw at the same night a Kumar, a journalist, was there, and he took him into his office. And since he is a small journalist, but he is a key player in this one, and you will really like it, that what the story behind him as well also. So they are just in good relation with each other. Now they are trying to talk to each other that you scratch my back and I will scratch yours. So it will be very good that we can both help each other. But Kumar is under a great debt, so that's why he is always drunk and away from his house. So finally they found out that this case was taken by Ranjan, the ex-cop, and played very well by Nasar. and he is now retired and he is living a lone life, like he doesn't want to mingle with the people. At that time he was the one who was trying to reopen this case, but the authorities was not interested, and they weren't interested, and they didn't give a green signal to him. So now there is an actress, Ramya. Now after meeting Ramya, there is a person that comes here, and Ramya is gone, and that created more rift in their relationships, that what is happening, that why things are happening, because he has doubts at Kumar and he has doubt at the system, that what things are going on, because the only thing that he had is already gone. After that, now Ranjan is the one who will lead him to all this investigation and find out that the person who was dead, because he knows there is a tree, and that tree has a very important, and Ranjan took Shakti to that tree, and he knows that I know this place, this is the place where Suresh car was burned. Okay, now he is trying to help Shakti, and if he is going to help, definitely after Ramya is gone, Ranjan is the greatest threat to the person who has killed this family. So Suresh was a very rich man, and he was talking about a treasure worth 8 millions, and there were people who were involved. So Suresh has a blood stain on his shirt. That scene will prove that what was going on at that time, and you will really be in a doubt what happened and why the scene was edited. And the another thing you will have to watch is that why a watch was being gifted to one of his workers, why Suresh gave it to that one, and what is the significance of that one. And another thing is his friend was also in that, and his driver was. So the story revolves around all these people, and you will really be amazed because it goes smooth and there is nothing to distract you from all the interrogation and what is happening. I hope you really like this, so kindly like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon for more notifications. And overall, if you have any kind of neon noir thrillers, just recommend any Kannada, Telugu or Malayalam. I really wish to watch them. I hope you really enjoy it. It's best to watch it. It's very bright sunny day and the people are around. Okay, have a great day and take care of yourself. Bye bye.